Hello everyone, let's talk about Shiseido's new Ultimune Power Infusing Serum. So I've added this serum into my morning skincare routine and let me tell you, it does wonders. So I apply it after cleansing and right before moisturizing. To show you exactly how, I apply 2 pumps and let's just stop there for a second. Look how lightweight this is. I love that. So I apply it all over my face, just like this, under my eyes, my mouth, my jawline, forehead, and last but not least, my neck. So not only does the serum target specific skin concerns such as dryness, wrinkles, dark spots, but it also provides protection against environmental factors. So this serum leaves your skin feeling smooth, healthy, vibrant, and it just feels amazing.